Hello my dear students, I am here to discuss 15 important MCQs on political theory, and in this session we will cover nature, scope, significance, decline and resurgence of political theory. So let's go for the very first question, and the very first question of today's session is the term politics is derived from which word? It is the very basic question. The term politics is derived from which word? The options are Greek word polish, Latin word polish, Greek word policy, Latin word policy. And here the right answer is Greek word polis. The Greek word polis, which means the city-state. The Greek word polis, which means the city-state. And you all know Greece is the birthplace. It is the birthplace of political science, where the renowned philosophers like Socrates, Plato and Aristotle were born. And Aristotle, the very important thing is Aristotle is known as the father of political science, and his famous book is The Politics. The Politics is the very famous book of Aristotle. Then we will go to the second question. The second one is the book Politics and Vision is written by whom? Who wrote the book Politics and Vision? And the options are Paul Janet, Lasky, Bryce and S. Olin. And the correct answer is yes. S. Olin. S. Olin is the correct answer. The book Politics and Vision is written by S. Olin. Lasky has wrote the book Grammar of Politics. Paul Janet wrote the book The Element of Morals. Bryce wrote the book Modern Democracies. These are the book of authors. Paul Janet, The Element of Morals. Lasky, Grammar of Politics. Bryce, Modern Democracies. And S. Olin, Politics and Vision. Let's go for the third question. Who is regarded as the founder of philosophical idealism? Who is regarded as the founder of philosophical idealism? And the options are Plato, Aristotle, Socrates and Cicero. The right answer is Plato. Plato is known as the founder of, or he is regarded as the founder of philosophical idealism. Yes, he is the father of or founder of philosophical idealism. We should remember various important books of Plato, like the Republic. The Republic is the most important book of Plato. Then the Allegory of Caves, the Symposium, the Apology, the Laws, the Statesman. These are the most important books written by Plato. Plato's books are the Republic, Allegory of Caves, the Symposium, the Apology, the Laws, the Statesman. These are the important books of Plato, and you should remember the book Republic. The Republic is one of the most important book written by Plato. Then next question is, who is considered as a founder of Greek political theory? Who is considered as a founder of Greek political theory? And the options are Plato, Machiavelli, Cicero and none of these. Plato was the first Greek political philosopher. Even we can say Plato was the first political philosopher, because before Plato, of course, Socrates was there, but Socrates did not give any kind of systematic political philosophy. So we can consider Plato as the first political philosopher of Greece, because Socrates was there before Plato, because Plato's teacher was Socrates. But Socrates did not give any kind of systematic political philosophy. So we can obviously consider Plato as the founder of Greek political theory. The next question is, the idea of logical positivism was popularized by whom? The idea of logical positivism was popularized by whom? Options are Laswell, Easton, David Easton, Max Weber, Paul Janet. And the right answer is Max Weber. Max Weber has popularized the concept, the idea of logical positivism. Max Weber is a German sociologist and political economist also. He is known for his idea of bureaucracy in political science, the famous thesis Protestant Ethic. You should all remember the famous thesis Protestant Ethic is written by Weber. Max Weber written the famous thesis Protestant Ethic. Let's go for the next question. The next question is, which of the following is not correctly matched? Which among the following is not correctly matched? Remember, not correctly matched. Options are Andrew Hacker, Political Theory, Philosophy, Ideology, Science; Robert Dahl, Modern Political Analysis; D.D. Raphael, Problems of Political Philosophy; David Easton, Political Theory Today. And the correct answer, my mistake. The incorrect answer is David Easton, Political Theory Today, because it is incorrectly matched. David Easton did not wrote the book Political Theory Today. Other three options are correct. Andrew Hacker wrote the book Political Theory, Philosophy, Ideology, Science. Robert Dahl wrote the book Modern Political Analysis. D.D. Raphael's book is Problem of Political Philosophy. And the incorrect one is last one, David Easton. David Easton is known as the father of or founder of behavioralism as well as post-behavioralism. We all know the father of behavioralism and post-behavioralism is David Easton, and his famous book is The Political System, and another book is A Framework for Political Analysis. Political Theory Today book is not written by David Easton. My dear students, please note the questions. These questions will be very helpful for your future examinations, like for cpet, for your semester examinations, for your NET examination. These questions will be helpful for all the political science related examinations. Now the question is, who said political science is concerned with the authoritative allocation of value? The authoritative allocation of value. The statement was said by whom? The options are Paul Janet, Seeley, Laswell, David Easton. And the correct answer is David Easton. David Easton said political science is concerned with the authoritative allocation of value. The famous statement, we will know about other thinkers like Seeley. The famous statement of Seeley was, democracy is that form of government in which everyone has a share. Democracy is that form of government in which everyone has a share. The statement was given by Professor Seeley. The famous statement of Laswell was, politics is who gets what, when and how. Politics is who gets what, when and how. The famous statement was given by Laswell. Then the next question is, the book Political Man. The book Political Man was written by whom? Who wrote the book Political Man? The Political Man book was written by, options are Gettel, Leo Strauss, David held S.M. Lipset, and the answer is S.M. Lipset. S.M. Lipset wrote the book Political Man, where Gettel wrote the book History of Political Thought. Please note, Gettel wrote the book History of Political Thought. Leo Strauss' book is History of Political Philosophy. David Held wrote the book Models of Democracy. The book Gettel was wrote is History of Political Thought. Leo Strauss' book is History of Political Philosophy. David Hell's book is Models of Democracy. And the next question is the concept of one-dimensional man. The concept of one-dimensional man was developed by whom? Who developed the concept one-dimensional man? Options are Paul Janet, Professor Shelley, Laswell, Herbert Marcuse, and the answer is Herbert Marcuse. The concept of one-dimensional man is related to Herbert Marcuse. Then next question is who said politics is the science of who gets what, when and how? Previously I discussed about the statement who gets what, when and how. Politics is all about who gets what, when and how, and the famous statement was given by Laswell. Laswell has given the concept of who gets what. Politics is all about who gets what, when and how, and Herbert Marcuse was related to our one-dimensional man concept. Professor Shelley was related to the statement democracy is that form of government in which everyone has a share. Then next question is the paper on the decline of political theory was written by whom? The paper on the decline of political theory was written by whom? Options are S.M. Lipset, Alfred Cowan, Germino and Karl Popper. The correct answer is Alfred Cowan. Alfred Cowan wrote the book The Decline of Political Theory. The book of Lipset, S.M. Lipset was Political Man. Please note the book of S.M. Lipset was Political Man. Germino wrote the book Beyond Ideology. Beyond Ideology was the book written by Germino. Karl Popper, the famous book of Karl Popper is The Open Society and Its Enemies. The Open Society and Its Enemies. Then the next question is which among the following matched correctly? Which among the following matched correctly? The options are Theory of Justice, John Rawls, Critical Theory, Jürgen Habermas, Radical Theory of Democracy, Joseph Schumpeter, and fourth option is all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above because all these three are correctly matched. Theory of justice was given by John Rawls. John Rawls' concept of justice as fairness. Theory of justice, these concepts are related to John Rawls. Theory of justice was the important book of John Rawls, which was published in the year 1971. Critical theory, the critical theory, Jürgen Habermas is related to critical theory. Joseph Schumpeter is the proponent of radical theory of democracy. The next question is, who among the following popularly distinguish political theory from ideology? Who among the following, please remember, who among the following popularly distinguish political theory from ideology? Options are Andrew Hacker, Aristotle, Hegel, and David Easton. And the correct answer is Andrew Hacker. Andrew Hacker popularly distinguishes political theory from ideology. We all know Aristotle is the father of political science. His book is The Politics. David Easton was related to behavioralism and post-behavioralism. Please write down the book name of Andrew Hacker in the correct comment box. Please write down the book of Andrew Hacker in the comment box. Which book is written by Andrew Hacker? This is all about today's session, guys. This is all about today's session, and I will be there in front of you with another important topic of political science. Still learn political science and love political science. Learn political science with passion and dedication.